This is the finishing touches of the seafood boil. Justin and his grandma is now
arguing.
No, they're not arguing, but they're at the end of their seafood boil. Justin's little phone, instead of him keeping it charged up so he can do it, he didn't let the phone die, so it died.
So good.
Missy Lane, my mother, on the 1-2, she got the scissors, about to bust that crab leg open.
So is bust it open,
Bust
girl.
it wide.
That's right, I'm crying.
Justin act like he ain't never ate before. And it better, all that meat better be out of there.
What?
Yeah.
This long nest crab leg I won't eat. Yeah. Body on the mommy.
So good.
Look at this, baby. It still is with.
You gonna get your butt whooped. Stop.
He's enjoying his crab.
No. My mom's still trying to break hers down. Grandma Elaine in the place to be. Rocket on the MIC.
CEGEESG.
Oh, whatever that meant. Sorry to see the Oreos, but that's gonna be the dessert.
Yeah, that's gonna be my dessert tonight.
Oreos and
My
ice cream.
chocolate.
Ooh.
Well, I said Oreos and ice cream. Chocolate chip cookies and ice cream.
On Oreo.
Mm-hmm. And you see this beloved sauce. It's the bomb. My mom made it. She know what she doing. And Justin think he know what he doing, trying to cut them crab legs. What's it called?
Yep.
Did I say
Crab
crab
legs.
legs? They crab legs? Yeah, they crab legs. With them little baby fingers he got, he ain't gonna be able to bust nothing open.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can, sweetheart.
Oh, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Let me see. Pull some meat up out of there.
Just wait. I think last year, guys, I think last year, I did because I pulled one of the big ones. Oh my God. Tell me why. Tell me reason why. I cannot.
Just you gonna look. I'm not trying to go to the hospital tonight, and that stuff will cut your fingers. Just pull it out.
Girl, if you think
Don't be calling me girl. I'm your mama. Justin, stop now. Pull the meat out of there. You done got all the meat out? And she's gonna break that. Boy, you don't even know how to do it.
Yes, I do.
Look, that's a shame.
I really don't think there's no.
Look. He's so doggone ghetto. Why you ain't dipping it, baby? Put it in the juice. You ain't put it in lemon juice?
No, I'm trying to get all the crab out. That's the problem. I'm trying to get all the crab out.
Well, Grandma taking care of her. She know what she's doing.
My name is Ashley.
Your name is actually?
Yeah.
Your name ain't no actually. Your name is Justyn.
CB.
Whatever.
You look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, you go. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at my sweetheart.
I am getting full.
Y'all finna eat all this.
No, we ain't.
Yes, you is.
I'm saving this.
You ain't saving nothing. Y'all about to eat all this.
I'm about to be full off of this. Hold up. Wait a minute. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Make me out the comments below, because it's just, you know what I'm saying? Because I didn't know last year. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get ready for bed because I have school tomorrow.
All right, he
So-
gonna holler at y'all.
No, I'm
It's
not
a wrap.
done. I'm not done
It's
with
a wrap.
What?
It's a wrap. Ain't no more crab legs. You done ate them all.
No
So we out of here. We're gonna holler at you. Peace out.